Hey, how you doing? I'm Emmy. Welcome to Yoga with Em. I'm going to run through Golden Seed Sequence designed by Paul and Suzee Grilley. This is one of the longer yin-yang flow sequences in which you can move a bit of energy, move the chi around the body. Just to note, movement and pivoting of the feet in the postures is encouraged to experience different sensations in the stretch. So the aim of this session is to move the energy around the body, to work the lower body in our squats, and to work the torso in our spinal twists, and also to feel stretches through the hamstrings and the back body. Golden Seed Sequence, as designed by Paul and Suzee Grilley. This sequence needs a wide stance. So begin please with the legs nice and wide. Please feel free to pivot the feet in different orientations through the sequence to feel different aspects of the stretches and the twists. The postures that we will take are Dantian, which is energy center, hands placed below the navel. We will take a squat with arms wide, which is open horse. Squat, arms above the head, rocking horse. Forward fold, where the arms represent the trunk, is elephant. And we will take elephant twist, twisting the torso, feeling free to move the position of the feet. Another forward fold, drinking bird. This time the arms become the wings of the bird. And there we have it. So let's move through the sequence with the breath. Hands begin at Dantian. So settling in. Inhale, gather the chi. Exhale, Dantian. Inhale, wrists cross. Exhale, open horse. Inhale, elephant, fold forward. Exhale, twist. Inhale, elephant. Exhale, twist. Inhale, elephant. Exhale, gather the chi from the earth. Inhale, send it to the heaven. Exhale, drinking bird, fold forward. Inhale, we take our squat. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, back to rocking horse. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, heaven and earth. Chi from the earth to the heaven. Exhale, Dantian. Inhale, gather the chi. Exhale, Dantian. Inhale, reach, cross the wrists. Exhale, open horse. Inhale, elephant, fold. Exhale, twist. Inhale, elephant, fold. Exhale, twist. Inhale, elephant fold. Exhale, chi from the earth. Inhale to the heaven. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, squat low, rocking horse. Exhale, drinking bird. Inhale, heaven and earth. From the earth, take it to the heaven. Hands rest at Dantian. Golden seed. That completes our sequence. Namaste.